This is Renee, and I am not reporting to you from the Montpelier Branch Library today. Today, instead, I'm reporting to you from a place I like to call nature. Do I have to? I'm here in nature to introduce you to the concept of a sit spot, what it is, how to do it, why you may need it, and the benefits you could see.
I don't want to!
So come on down. Pick up your free Sit Spots for Grown-Ups kit at your Sit Spots for Grown-Ups library, the Montpelier Branch Library. It's free. So what is a sit spot? Essentially, a sit spot is a place in nature that you could... Something's touching my leg. Essentially, a sit spot is a single place in nature that you visit regularly for the purpose of quiet observation as you practice engaging your senses. That's it. It's an opportunity to quiet your mind and focus your senses on nature. Do you need to travel deep into the wilderness to find your sit spot? No. The more accessible your place is, the better. So walk out into your yard, but maybe just avoid that spot where you can see the flower beds that need weeding. If that's going to stress you out, stay away. Do you need to spend 4 days and 3 nights in your sit spot? No. Just 5 minutes is all you need to start seeing benefits. Remember, the most important thing is that you get out here and do it. Keep it simple. Make it work for you. Why do you need a sit spot? Well, Leah Carlson, writing for the Wilderness Awareness School, compares our brains to organic computers. Computers need programming, right? Well, for most of our evolutionary history, human beings were being programmed by nature, by our interactions with the natural world. Finding food, surviving weather, avoiding predators, etc. That's where our programs were first written. But technology is changing the programming we put into our brains. Some argue that the changes cause atrophy of essential skills like emotional intelligence, problem solving, self-control, and our overall ability to find satisfaction in our lives. So by purposefully reconnecting with nature, by exercising your senses apart from technology, you can consciously activate the parts of your brain that technology misses and experience personal growth. People who practice Sit Spot report lots of benefits, including improved sensory awareness and acuity, enhanced critical thinking skills, improved creativity, greater capacity for releasing negative thoughts, and a renewed sense of joy. Results are individual, and the benefits you realize from your sit spot may include some of these things, but will definitely include your own stuff. For example, my stuff includes donkey hilarity. So how do we do this? There are 5 essential steps to practicing a sit spot. Step number 1, go outside. Bring your journal and your pencil and a timer if you need that. And just know that everything I just listed is optional, except for the going outside bit.
I don't want to!
Step 2, find your sit spot. Remember, it's got to be easily accessible, and you have to like it, even if you don't know exactly why it appeals to you. Step 3, sit down. Place your butt directly on nature. Leave your yoga mat and beach towels at home. Step 4, open your senses and observe. Be intentional. Look, listen, smell, and touch. Put yourself in the moment you're in. It's not a time to collapse into your own head and think about everything you have to do today, but it's also not a time to seek emptiness. It's a moment in which you immerse as fully as you can in your immediate surroundings. Step 5, repeat. So our basic program outline begins with 5-minute sessions, adding 5 more minutes each week so that you work up to 20 minutes in week 4. You can practice once a week or every day of the week, whatever is sustainable for your schedule. And if you choose to journal while you're out there, we added some prompts to your sit spot kit. Do yourself a favor though, limit yourself to 1 prompt per sit spot session. You want to deep dive into the exercises and spend as much time as possible actually observing rather than stressing out over whether anyone can tell if your sketch is a dragonfly or a 3-legged camel. Which brings me to this point. Your journal is for you. That's it. It does not have to be Pinterest ready at any point. Let it be. You want to write prose? Write it. Punctuate it. Or not. I don't care. You want to draw? Draw. Give James Audubon a run for his money, or perfect your rendition of a stick figure stick bug. Are you listing the Latin names of every tree species you observe, or are you using hash marks to tally what you see? Either is correct. The same person can do both. As Bob Ross used to say, in your world, you can do anything you want. So remember, you don't have to find an exotic sit spot out in the middle of... Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is the worst. So you go out there and find yourself a better sit spot, one that works for you, because this is miserable. What? Shut the front door to me. Swallow bug. And that's our introduction to sit spots for grown-ups. Remember, you can grab your Sit Spot for Grown-Ups kit at the Montpelier Branch Library. And there's lots more information about sit spots, forest bathing, meditation, and other cool related topics at the library. We even have a free online course called Meditation 101 available through Universal Class. Just visit our website, www.pamunkeylibrary.org, or call or visit your local branch. We will totally help you unhook from technology and discover your inner outside peace.